green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, yellow ochre color, and black color. Kids, now you draw A and use green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use red color. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U and use blue color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Orange color, black color, white pink color, white green color, green color, purple color, brown color, red color, yellow color, pink color, sky blue color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Kids, now you draw 18. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Kids, now you draw 25. 25, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, red color, and yellow ochre color. Kids, now you draw Easter and use blue color. Easter, the shape of Easter. Kids, now you draw pentagon, the shape of pentagon, and use yellow color. Kids, now you draw a square, the shape of a square, and use green color. Green color. It's now you draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use black color. Black color. The shape of triangle. Kids, now you draw circle, the shape of circle, and use red color. Red color. Kids, now you draw trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid, and use yellow ochre color. Trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.